The purpose of this video is to give some explanation for the headings at the top of a baptismal record. In this example, the headings are all in Czech. Other years they will be in German or Latin. So a person needs to learn all three of them, but we will concentrate on Czech today. Obviously, the first one here is the year. The word underneath it, měsíc, is month, so it's telling us the month. It is leden. Led means ice. This is January. Then NRO stands for number. House is DU with a crochet over at M, DUM. Of the house would be domu. The endings of the words change as the grammatical case changes. Jméno is name. Now, this is an example of why I would give myself only about a grade of 70 or 75%. I don't know for sure what this word means. Well, I do, but dítě is a child, and dítěte is either of the child or of the children. I don't know. Doesn't matter. You can deduce from these what each of the entries are by eliminating the possibilities. Mariana, obviously this is not the name of the priest. Let's go on. I don't know what this next word means, but it means religion. We have Catholic here. You can read that in any language. Protestant, the two abbreviations. The next one is the gender of the child, and the first word is chlapec, which means boy. And now the second word, I can't really read it, and just by process of elimination, since the child's name is Mariana, this must be the female column. In the records that I use, which are not from this archive, I get a different word for girl. But you can always figure it out. The next column is whether it is a legitimate child or an illegitimate. Again, you can deduce when you get back into the earlier records with the very scrolly, loopy handwriting. You can't read these words up here, but you can figure out which column is which. If you have both a father and a mother, then the legitimate column would be checked. If you have only a mother, the illegitimate column would be checked. Moving on. ROD stands for clan. Rodzina, R-O-D-I-N-A, is family. So this has something to do with family. Knowing the root word, you can figure out the area. You don't need to translate it literally. Otec is father. Matka is mother. The last column, I have never seen this word in any of my records. I see P-A-T-H-E-N and Patrini and Bystander, which is the German. These are the sponsors regardless. Jméno is name, we know that from before, and then this is their position in the village or their occupation. So one of the sponsors is Anna, and she's the wife of František, somebody or other. So this concludes the video where we introduce the record by first of all learning to read the headings.